That's what I'm trying to work on here. Let's see if I can. Okay. Yep. That's what I'm trying to establish is. So look at that. Pocket. Now, this part here causes a lot of corrosion, man, issues with the battery because of this. So I'm gonna switch this out with this here. One part on there, tighten it up with this little piece here. Could use a drill bit, however, almost there. I gotta get another part on there to put it on the electricity. Got to break it off so I can get it just enough to sit this on that part there, you know what I'm saying? And then I should be good. Let's see what we getting with. I thought I saw. So I get a spark there. Should be alright though. That should be okay. So I'll tighten this there. I'm gonna go start it. Give me a second. I think it on too. This little right here. This should be good. We popping with Crisco, baby. I just want to flatten this a little bit more. I don't know how, but anyway, it's on there. Protect your energy. 2023, you know where I be.